Introducing the Strike Light. Check it out. Made from solid aluminum, this is a serious self-defense weapon and flashlight in one that can take out any attacker, big or small. At a simple twist of the handle, it will extend another 4 inches, allowing you to strike from a larger distance. The baton end of the Strike Light has aggressive angles for maximum damage, and a beveled end so you can make quick jabs. Then at the end of the handle, it's got an emergency glass breaker, making this a great survival tool to keep in your car. And that's just the self-defense features of the Strike Light. It also works as a blinding flashlight with 3 light functions. The first function is full brightness, the second is half power, and the third function is strobe. On top of this, you can also adjust the light size. Keep the Strike Light closed for a wider light. This is best for close combat. Then twist and extend the baton, and the light becomes smaller and more focused. Use this feature for long distances. This is the hottest tactical flashlight right now, and I know you want one. Well, I have some great news for you. As a limited time promotion, we're giving away 500 of these badass Strike Lights at a hugely discounted price. Get 62% off and claim your Strike Light now.